Igbo excellence is on full display once again. Obi Cubana, Nigerian nightlife mogul, billionaire entrepreneur, and a proud son of the East. He has just been gifted with a custom diamond wristwatch worth over 100 million naira. And guess who is behind this luxurious masterpiece? None other than the legendary Malivelihood, the one and only black jeweler. He's not just a jeweler, he's a craftsman of wealth, elegance and power. This isn't your everyday wristwatch. This is a fully customized diamond encrusted timepiece designed specially for Obi Cubana. It's bold, it's brilliant, it's billionaire energy, and in every inch of it screams class, precaution, and Igbo pride. Malivelihood has worked with top celebrities, politicians, and business moguls, and now he has created yet another masterpiece for one and only Nigerian finest. He continues to prove that when it comes to his types of jewelry, he is a league of his own. Obi Cubana never misses a chance to represent the East with greatness, and this is just another symbol of success. Then tell us, can you rock a 100 million naira wristwatch?
The double trouble. You got it? Bugatti, Richard Mille. Jacob Banco, Richard Mille. What's gonna be your choice? The Richard Mille or the Jacob Banco?
presented something extraordinary to the celebrants. Please, the Black jeweler himself, the one amongst many, multiple award winner in his own right, from Nigeria, super proud of him, Mr. and Mrs. Olushola Awujola, but we call him Malivelihood, the Black jeweler. I've just been informed, presented something extraordinary to the celebrants. Please, the Black jeweler himself, the one amongst many, multiple award winner in his own right, from Nigeria, super proud of him, Mr. and Mrs. Olushola Awujola, but we call him Malivelihood, the Black jeweler. I've just been informed that he just presented to the celebrants a very beautiful diamond piece to celebrate his 50th. Malivelihood, thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Malivelihood. Thank you so much. Congratulations to the celebrants. Congratulations.
Mr. Jubriel of CIJ, Buttons, 50 for 50.
The pepper soup queen.
We will recognize your presence, a very good man.
Malivelihood, the Black jeweler is in the building, ladies and gentlemen. Blink it, blink it, blink it. Where's madam? What do you call her? Baby. Baby, come this way. You know, on the day they got married some years ago, I was their MC, so you're so glad to see them again today. Ladies and gentlemen, they just presented a diamond piece to the celebrant. Oh, you're about to present it? Chief Leon. I got you. Okay. Chief Dr. Obi Cubana, may we please have the honor? Okay.
Please, let's have the celebrant and the wife on stage. We have a special presentation for them. Courtesy, the Black jeweler, the diamond man, Malivelihood. Please help her, give her a heaven hand. Obato's order. Birthday ball. 50 for 50.
Let's just stay here. Let's just don't go further.
All right. Please, audience, you stay there.
Hey, that's what I'm trying to explain to you. Don't.
All right.
So, I'm here to present a very, very, very special gift to my friend and brother. Yeah, so this is a limited edition Rolex 1 of 1. This watch is made with the green gemstones, which I had to travel to Oman to unpick each of the stones myself. So it's a really, really special gift. So I really want you to open it and then maybe try it on your hand, probably.
All right. The celebrant will now open the special gift. It's a limited edition Rolex wristwatch. Limited edition. Again, have your one.
Funny. Madam, Miss Madam, come forward. You can come forward.
Yes. Cameras, please zoom in. It's a limited edition Rolex wristwatch. Courtesy Malivelihood. He's going to wear it now on his right hand.
Can we lower a little bit?
About those orders, this right hand is worth acres of land in Lekki phase 1. Carry that hand well. Carry the hand well. You can no longer wave anybody now. You wave by the weight who is fitting you. Please, can we give the man a round of applause, please? Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Malivelihood, thank you so much. We appreciate you. Rare gift. Rare gift for a rare gem. Rare gift for a rare gem. One of one. And we appreciate Mrs. Biola. God bless you for all you do as well. You are amazing. That's all. As more confirming from his godfather that is Ote, one of one, limited edition, all the way from Oman. Ladies and gentlemen, I recognize His Excellency I Chief David Iwosu, one the number one of Umbano, the president of Pinnacle Friends Club of Nigeria, alongside the vice president and the board of the members who recognize you. I have just been reliably informed that we have one of the We have one of the most amazing and distinguished others in the whole world. Please, Abuja, tonight to celebrate with Dr. Obi Cubana. Can you please put your hands together for the Kabiyesi himself, Oba Elegushi of Lagos. Give him a round of applause, would you? Thank you. Bishop Dr. Onyeka Msekwese, the CEO of Pan State, addressing this over. We recognize your presence. You're very much welcome. Chief Obi, CEO of the Hotel and Suites. We recognize your presence. You're very much welcome. Chief Bob Nzekwesi and CEO CB Gofram Agus. You all are very much welcome to this wonderful party. And so, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have a strong delegation from the Eastern people of the Edo State. Their Royal Highnesses and Their Majesties have sent a very, very large delegation to come and support Dr. Obi Malivelihood. Leading that delegation is a perfect gentleman, an entrepreneur, and a billionaire, all the way from Edo State, the very high chief, Dr. Obi Franklin Okosolo, the Omozoya of Eastern Land. Thank you so much, High Chief. We appreciate you a lot. We'd also like to appreciate Dr. and Mrs. Jerry Uwangwe. We appreciate you. Mr. and Mrs. Efosa Obedi, thank you so much for coming. We really do appreciate you a lot. And ladies and gentlemen, Chief Sly Ezoke, the National Chairman of Africa, is in the building. We recognize your presence. You're very much welcome. Only one catch. I see you, Sensino, my brother, my friend, 40th old man. and please, before I for the cake, the pastor, please, let's hear the eye, please. Can we please have big colors, the DJ? Can we have big colors, DJ to come on stage, please? The Chief of Protocol and the Deputy Chief of Staff, Glamour, of our great party, Africa, we recognize your presence. Onye Chimerese, one of the elder brother to the celebrant, is greeting you specially. And of course, Oya Chima once again, Chief Sly Ezokenwa, the national chairman of APCA. Nkeba Ikaukai will recognize your presence, sir. Can we please have Molo P on stage? Molo P, can you come on stage now? Molo P, now. Please, we want to do something very important. We want to go to the very highlight of this event. I'll be handing the microphone right away to a living legend to please take on the next items. Okay, sir.
Please, the celebrant, please, I crave your indulgence. It won't be proper for this cake to still be here like John. This celebration is supposed to be held at 12, not on the 13th. So we'll go straight. We'll bypass a few things on the program. Obi, let's watch this cake before 12 midnight. Please get your family. Let's come to cake. Please, family. Let's do this. Let's do this before we do other things. Yeah, let's do this before we do other things. Please, celebrant, can you come?